I took advantage of some warmer weather the weekend after Thanksgiving to do some outside decorating. First, I had to do a little cleanup on the porch. After my tree drops all of its leaves in October, it waits until November to drop the leaf stems. I also swept away the cobwebs over the entry area. A section of lights on the big wreath had gone out, so I added some new lights to it. A 50-foot long lighted garland was wrapped around the top of the porch railing. It was just the right length. I hung a small lit wreath from the center of the porch. It's nutty how that porch post is off-center, a small frustration for me who would prefer things nice and symmetrical. I switched out the normal bulb in the porch light for a green one. Then I hung more lit garland around the door and made sure it was secure so the wind won't blow it down. The big wreath needed repositioning, so I hung a bigger hanger for it in the center of this wall. Much better. At the base of the porch, I added some green lights to the struggling shrubs here. They get smaller every year as the tree overhead gets bigger. In front of them, I also added some snowflake lights. I put a nativity silhouette in the big cauldron and added lights around it to help make it more visible at night. Here we are after some snow a couple of days later. I strung some snowflake lights along the garden beds. My son and I have been working on the arbor and hope to finish it this weekend. I'll add some more lights to it if we can get it done. It's such a clear night. The crescent moon is shining above. So pretty. My outdoor lights and decorations are pretty simple, but I find them charming and I love that I'm able to put them up and take them down later with nothing more than my step stool. Let me know what your favorite part of my outdoor lights is. I hope you enjoyed seeing them, and I'll see you in the next video.